My name is Disoni Tuzan. I'm from Sabah. We established Chalice Cafe in 2015. We call this a social enterprise cafe because we want to build F&B model that able to serve the community. Our most popular initiatives will be the Pay It Forward, where customer can contribute 5 ringgit, and we will use the 5 ringgit to provide food to people who are jobless, people who need meals for their families. On top of that, we provide jobs for 2 groups of people, ex-convict. The other one will be for the indigenous people. We believe that this group of people require assistance. As a business, Chalice Cafe is a standalone F&B outlet. The only way for us to get business is for people to walk in. But when the pandemic hits us, it really caught us off guard. So MCO is very challenging at that time. A few months ago, I saw this advert in social media, M-Bank Maxis SME in a box. One of my regular customer, he said he's from M-Bank. The whole appointment was a pleasant one. Maxis consultant. We have an M-Bank branch manager to come over our cafe and make me understand better and how Maxis digital marketing platform can actually help us without me compromising my day-to-day operation. Running F&B business is very labor intensive. By the time in the evening, I'll be half dead lah. So I decided to get the digital marketing starter kit from Maxis that helped me to simplify my social media marketing. The Maxis consultant shared with us about the SME grant. She just guided me over WhatsApp and submitted my SSM form, and the whole process is being done by the Maxis consultant. I honestly think that this SME business grant will help a lot of business owners like me, because small business like us do not have funds to go and invest into digital. As for M-Bank, the branch manager came himself, opened the bank account on the spot. M-Bank even gave me a credit card machine, and this machine allows us to accept all the major e-wallets in Malaysia. The machine helped me to reconcile all my daily transactions and even keep my financial record up to date. The digital solution with the SME grant by Maxis, it's very important in running today's business. Yeah, simple, right?